In this video, I will demonstrate how you can get help on the HealthStack platform. To do so, I would need to log in as a user. You must have noticed that there's a new update on the platform, an icon that allows you to get or initiate support conversation on the HealthStack platform. If you click the button, you will find that there's a mini form where you can use to make your complaint. You can minimize this form by clicking on this button here. So I'll click minimize and I'll click. Now, if you have a complaint, feedback, or a comment about the platform, you can use this button and you will be tended to in a couple of minutes. So I'll give a subject to this complaint. I'll say my complaint is a feedback. What's the category for my complaint? Let's say it's a basic complaint. And what's the description? This is just a test. Now, this is a complaint that I'm going to submit in a couple of seconds. My complaint has been submitted successfully and it will be attended to. Now I've just dropped a complaint. Let's await feedback from the support team. Whilst we do that, I would like to mention that after you have dropped your complaint, there is a need for you to check back to see that your complaint has been attended to. To do that, you go to the complaint module here. If you click on this, you will see the complaint you just dropped, and you can click on conversations. And what this does is it opens up the conversation you're about to have or you're having with the support team, and you can complete that conversation until your issue is resolved. Let me go on to respond to this complaint. So as you can see, there's a response from the support team. Hello, my name is Baby and I will be supporting you today. This is a response. The conversation can go like this. Thank you for the response. Please note that this is just a demonstration. It doesn't necessarily have to go like this. Thank you for the demonstration and I have submitted. Thank you for the response, and I'm expecting a feedback from the support team. And there's a question, what can I help you with today? Nothing. Just have a feedback. So this is how a typical complaint would look like on the platform. Once your issue has been resolved, the support person would click on resolve to complete the conversation, changing the status of this complaint from unresolved to resolved. Now the status of our complaint has changed to resolved, meaning that the issue has been solved. Maybe it's been there was a troubleshooting and we found the issue and fixed it, or we decided to escalate the issue and you know require some time to get it fixed. Once all of that is done, the complaint is closed. You can choose to reopen the complaint at a later time, but this is how you submit a complaint on the HealthStack platform.